What if I told you this $100 bill could multiply into $1,000 in 2025? No luck. No gambling. Just 3 weird but legit ways that actually work. Stick around, I'll show you exactly where to put your money. Method 1. AI Side Hustles, Fast Cash. Hack number 1. Flip your $100 using AI tools. No experience needed. Step 1. Spend $20 on ChatGPT Plus. Write scripts, ebooks, ads. Step 2. Use Canva Magic Design $12 to make logos/videos. Step 3. Sell your creations on Fiverr, e.g., $10 YouTube scripts. Boom. Turn $100, $500 in 30 days. Method 2. Crypto Lazy Staking. Don't want to work? Let your money work for you. Step 1. Buy $50 of Ethereum ETH on Coinbase. Step 2. Stake it like a savings account for 5% yearly returns. Step 3. Use the other $50 to buy hot new meme coins. Research first. Potential? $100, $250 plus if crypto pumps in 2025. Method 3. YouTube Automation. Here's the juiciest one. Step 1. Use $50 for AI tools, Animaker plus 11 Labs voiceovers. Step 2. Make stick figure videos, e.g., how to invest $100. Step 3. Monetize with ads and affiliates, $1,000 plus per month if viral. Best part? Works while you sleep. Bonus, what not to do. Avoid these $100 traps in 2025. Crossmark day trading, you'll lose fast. Crossmark random NFTs, 99% are worthless. Crossmark get-rich-quick schemes, they're all lies. Stick to what actually works. Your turn. Pick one method and start today. Drop a comment if you're doing number 1, number 2, or number 3. Subscribe. Next week I'll show how to turn $1,000 into $10,000.